Oh, just took a picture. Oops. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna do a reveal video, then I'm not gonna. Then I'm gonna show I can't get the box open. It's gonna be crazy. I'm just gonna sit here and struggle with it for a while.
This GT box.
Just grab scissors and start like going.
This MF box.
Calvin's coming with us.
Hi, FTC, Granny Center, Iowa. We're gonna do a little reveal video of our box that we got here today. So we don't know what it is, but let's see what we got. Oh, by the way, if you get a second, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is how we get paid. So appreciate it. Thank you. Reveal. Okay, hold on. This isn't going as well as I thought. Let's see if I can get. Oh. I might have to go get some scissors. Hold on.
Those are fragile. Don't break those. Gentle.
Hope you guys are still watching.
Oh my god.
Really excited about this new part. It's going to be the changing moment of our FTC season. Here's the invoice.
Our credit card number's on there.
No, it's not.
Oh.
I want you guys all to notice I got a $25 discount. Okay. See, I don't know what this RO stands for, but I was thinking they were trying to write my name, but they forgot the B. Okay, get back to the reveal. We got ourselves one brand new.
Ooh.
Yep, this is an REV. Yeah.
Stickers.
Stickers, you can have those. Put them on your computer. New REV expansion hub. Yes. Mini USB input. 12 volt, 7 amp input. 4 motor controller inputs. Yeah. We've got 5, count them. Not really count them. 5 servo inputs. 5 volt power outputs. Oh. 2 analog somethings. 4 digital inputs. 4 I2C inputs. And 4 UART inputs. And then we got a little reset button there. So we're really excited about having this as part of our robotics club. Yeah. Feel free to visit our sponsors at revmotors.com.
They're not sponsors. We paid them.
Oh, they're not sponsors. Don't go there. Thanks for watching my reveal. Again, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.